Dr. Kukreja, there has been a recent escalation in discussions around the HMPV virus. There have been cases in India. I wanted to know, what is the HMPV virus and how can people protect themselves from the virus?
So today we'll be talking about HMPV, that is the human metapneumovirus, which is spread in China, and many individuals are affected. Small children under the age group of 2 as well as 14 and elderly people are getting infected with it. So what are the signs and symptoms? So it is basically causing the upper respiratory tract infection, causing cold, fever, bronchitis, and also the lower respiratory tract infections, leading to causing the asthma to flare up and pneumonia symptoms, as well as the COPD, which is leading to breathlessness, that is the chronic obstructive lung disease. So it's basically to do with the lowered immunity. So people who are immunity is compromised or are suffering from chronic ailments are vulnerable to it. Small children as well as elderly people are also vulnerable to it. So, and the method of spread is same that we have seen during the COVID-19 epidemic. It is spread through the droplet infection. So by mere, if the virus is there in the air, you can contract it. So you have to avoid too much of places which are crowded. Use a mask, not to touch the infected surfaces, because these are the common methods of spread. Now, why is it so difficult to treat viral infections? Because they are very, they can create a lot of havoc, because a virus multiplies very quickly. Though they can't reproduce by itself, it uses the host cell machinery and to multiply. So basically it uses its cellular energy, the host cell's cellular energy, to multiply, and it creates a lot of variants of itself, which can be very tricky. By itself the virus can become weak, but many times it can become very lethal. So there is a typo error. They replicate in a very wrong fashion, causing multiple variants, and because of it, it becomes very difficult for the body to adapt to the new variant, because we can't produce vaccines to combat the new variant each while and quickly. So the whole load is upon the system to identify the new variant and produce the appropriate antibody towards it, so as to avoid the infection. So it's very important that your immunity is good. So it's like you can treat your underlying cause, take multivitamins, take medicines which can enhance your immunity. So this is how we can help prevent the transmission of the virus.